Just think, it's possible to do this without getting any parasites.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Fresh house!
Plus.
Contagion.
Oh, one got dropped on the tanks.
We can deal.
Bad.
Contagion 2 and 3.
Move it back up. I'm gonna take it from you.
Hey, jeez, there you are.
Add. Just set down.
Contagion right now.
Move the boss. Stay put. Save your cities. Switch. You get.
I got this double.
I got it over right here.
Kate, I'm way in the back end to top the boss.
Shit. Back to your markers.
Careful your stacks, Jimmy.
Big. Jimmy has 7. That's it.
Contagion right now.
Spread out. Spread out.
Contagion 5 and 3 seconds.
Jimmy spread. Good. Good spot, boys. Let's keep it up. Just stay focused here.
Contagion 6 and 1
Bubbles,
second
you have
right
6.
now.
Spread.
Contagion.
Bubbles and Jimmy spread. Kill the eye, kill the eye, kill the eye. Good. Move the boss out now. Good. Save your CDs if you have them. Get rid of the fuck out of this head, boys.
Add.
Add, switch to it. Nuke it, boys. Spread, 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 spread. Get your markers. Corners.
I got this double.
I've got the double here.
I got the double on left.
Yeah, very fair.
Okay, okay.
I got this level right here. Kate, I'm way in the back, buddy.
Good shit.
Good job. Make sure you're
Stay
at the
focused,
right
boys. Back to
on the
markers.
right marker.
Okay. Check your stacks. Check your.
Etsy
What
at
shield?
8, Liquid 6. Cheese Taco 6.
Get ready to spread. If you're
Contagion
mailing, get the fuck out of the group. Move out. Everyone move the fuck out.
Right
Spread
now?
out. Stack up again. Stack up again. You have time. Move back up. Spread out. Spread the fuck
Contagion
out.
2.
Spread the fuck out.
Leave this in.
Good job, get back.
Stay out during the debuff.
Kill the activate. Yes, good. Come on. Move it back up.
Spread out.
Contagion right now, get up.
Spread out, spread out, spread out. Sorry.
Alright, get back.
Kill the ad, kill the ad. We have to kill him.
Hallelujah.
Come on.
There's an Omega
Ooh.
Vector on
Good job, good job.
Oh my god. Come on.
Liquefy in 6. We might get another contagion before that, so stay.
Add.
Spread, spread,
Every
spread.
fucking ad. Spread the fuck out. No, we're good.
We have to kill this ad.
We're
We
good,
have to
we're
kill
good,
this ad.
Kill the fucking ad. We didn't move the boss out. God damn it.
It's fine, we're fine.
I taunted it and everything.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just stay put.
fine.
Kill the ad. Good.
Good.
Alright, so.
Focus on keeping yourselves up.
I got this stubborn.
Personals.
Stay calm. We're good.
Who's coming to you?
Next,
Sarah?
no.
I got this
Need
one.
help on double side.
Back here. When I'm being stoked back here.
I need heals.
Reset.
Stacks. Need a lot of heals.
I got him. I got him. Kate.
Heals, come
We
on.
have two battle
Good job,
reses.
good job, good job, good job.
Second
Yeah,
potion
there
right
you
now.
go.
Reses.
Right out second
Sword.
potions.
Spread the fuck out.
Still get
Yeah,
innervate.
just stay, Brett. Spread, guys.
Innervate.
Kill the ad.
Add. Switch the ad.
Contagion.
Spread out.
Spread out, spread out, spread out.
Spread. Get spread right now.
Kill the fucking ad.
Go back, add.
Good.
We have a
Rising,
parasite.
rising,
There's
rising.
it.
Go for it.
Just stay spread,
Kill the
guys.
ad.
There's another parasite needs to die. It can be stunned.
Do we tunnel? Do we tunnel?
Ignore
No,
it.
kill
Just
the
kill
ad.
the ad. Kill the boss. Kill the boss. Kill the
Big
boss.
ad, big ad.
Tunnel,
Kill
tunnel,
the ad.
tunnel.
Come on, boys.
Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys.
Let's
Let's go,
fucking
boys.
go!
Fuck yeah, motherfuckers!
Boys. Holy shit!
Get it.
Let's get it!
That was
Give me the
great.
fucking helmet!
Ooh.
Let's go.
Get some.
Yeah.
Let's
Holy shit,
fucking
nice.
get it,
Boys.
boys.
Good job, dude.
Big
Easy
thing.
clap.
Good shit, guys.
Sylvanas
Good.
number 1.
Dude,
I got the fucking trinket on
Sylvana, number 1. Easy fucking clap, boys.
That was a great
Ah.
goal.
Fuck you, crazy. I need to buy a new
Oh, I
fucking
got
desk
top
now
DP.
because my fucking dick just
Dude,
went straight
that was
through it.
fucking... Dude, that was fucking nailed, honestly.
Easy
Holy
fucking
shit.
clap.
See,
That
just
was
don't
the
die.
most nailed
Handle the
fucking pull,
buffs.
dude.
It's great. Yeah, next time
I
we do
was,
this,
like,
fuck
saying-
Destro. Because,
Fucking-
That was
goddamn
the
it.
fucking first pool where we didn't fuck up a tiny mechanic. Like, we